Hi, my name is Amelia Osborne, and I'm a senior in high school. Soon I will be choosing a college, and I will have more of an opportunity to affect the world. One of the major ways that I want to affect the world is to do something to help solve climate change. This is an issue that I've cared about since I was a little kid, and it is just getting increasingly more urgent as the years go on. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change says that we need to limit our carbon emissions by 45% before 2030, and then have net zero carbon emissions by 2050 in order to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. This will not even prevent further climate change or damage done to the environment, but it will mitigate some of its worst effects. Climate change is leading to increased natural disasters, food insecurity, droughts, land degradation, ocean acidification, and destruction of biodiversity. I would like to help address the loss of biodiversity during and after my time at Agnes Scott. The major cause of biodiversity loss is human actions, specifically actions that have to do with the development of land and exploitation of natural resources. Most endangered species are not endangered because humans specifically murder those species, but rather because humans' actions have the consequence of destroying habitats, many of which are in a delicate balance between species and environment. Anthropogenic climate change also greatly affects biodiversity because even 1 degree changes in temperature can vastly affect sensitive species which require certain conditions to live. Biodiversity loss isn't just when we lose a species, such as the northern white rhino, which are beautiful and exotic, but a lot of biodiversity loss is invisible. People don't get into an uproar about insects and microorganisms going extinct, but these groups of organisms tend to be more vital to their ecosystems and human existence than most of the well-known species that people care about preserving. In Georgia, there are 74 federally threatened or endangered species of animals and plants. A lot more can be done to protect different endangered species in Georgia, especially at a local level. At Agnes Scott, I would like to be part of the preservation of these species. I would like to get involved in the Sustainability Center at Agnes Scott. Specifically, I would like to help encourage preservation of Georgia's native species through volunteering at the Sustainability Center. I would like to volunteer to plant trees for the Arboretum, and I would like to join the Bee Society to help foster an environment in which pollinators can survive. I would like to volunteer with organizations to preserve biodiversity, and if there are no such organizations on campus, I would like to start my own club to encourage the preservation of Georgia's diverse species, not just the endangered ones, but all species that contribute greatly to the environment. I am very interested in the Environmental and Sustainability Studies program. I am excited to participate in this program because I am passionate about environmentalism, and I am very interested in the way species interact with one another and the ecosystem. I care a lot about fixing this planet, and I feel like studying environmental and sustainability studies at Agnes Scott could help me do that.